thought I'd jack this up in case it decides to fall.
Just one of them. Is there one of them on both sides?
No. It's not bent on the back. It just feels like it's rusted. Might be pried open just a little bit, but it's not bent. Get down on the ground just to get the color put out. So this should, it's going way over here. This part goes way over here. That's probably how they broke it. They were probably pounding on it to release it.
What's this? The same thing is on this side, and there's a blue thing over there.
Right, that's the thing that broke off. See, this goes in here like this. They were probably pounding on this to try and move it. I was wondering, like, how the hell did they break it? They couldn't have hit it anything.
There's one on both sides, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, it slid out of there, but I don't know what's going to happen once it passes that. You can't go anywhere. The only thing you can do is drop down. See, this part is attached to the truck, and this part is sitting on the jack. So if it drops, it'll only drop like an inch or so.
It looks like it kind of unscrews, and it.
Okay. Now when this passes this beam here, it might drop a little bit.
Yeah.
I better make sure this is up there.
And put a cement block under it.
Well, this jack is working.
Yeah, that thing should have been sprayed and stuff and let it sit. Take the rust off of it. Especially right in the joints. They were working on the street, on the sides,
Okay.
putting some kind of new sewer. Okay, it didn't go nowhere.
So the only thing that's in there is a spring. I want to try to clear it out.
I don't know. It's probably going to be heavy enough. This might be plastic, but all this other stuff is iron. You see any more snow forecast? I didn't either.
So just a spring and a cotter pin. That's all there was.
Yeah. I wonder what keeps that in there.
What?
That thing. That you pulled out. What keeps it in there once it's in there?
Well, they're supposed to bend it in the back. But they really didn't bend this one. It was bent a little bit. They probably had it out when they broke it.
How the heck would you get in there to even bend it? You can't even see it.
That's probably why it wasn't bent. It didn't feel like laying on the ground in the middle of winter. Okay, so this just slides in there. Where I could grease it up there.
You got to put the spring in the middle.
Oh yeah. And it doesn't quite line up either, so I'm going to have to do something there.
Jack. I think it moved just a little teeny bit when you pulled out the thing.
About a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, the thing is, it's sitting on the mud, so it's probably squishing. didn't move forward or back, did it? Well, I know it came out awful hard.
This part's got to go up here. See, if I raise this part, that's not raising this.
Well, you wouldn't want to take the jack out of there unless you put a brick under it.
The jack's not doing nothing now.
See, the truck's going up. Huh? Looks like the whole truck is going up with it.
Okay, so what I ended up doing was I got this bar here. That bar goes back through there like that. So then I jacked this up, the bar, jacked up the bar, that raised up this. This part came up, and that enabled that to line up. It was just a hair. This whole part here dropped down just a little bit when I pulled out the old pin. Pulled out this pin. This part dropped just a hair, like 1/8 of an inch, not even 1/4 of an inch. But it was just enough so it wouldn't line up. And we tried all kind of things, raising the plow, lowering the plow, and blocks of wood and bricks. And there was no way that I could manhandle this thing and try and move it. So put the bar in there. It's a little close to the plow here. And just jack this up.
Can't get it out now.
Raise this up so the outside lined up with the middle. Okay. Okay, see ya. Bye.